If you're 40 plus and looking for a delicious way to balance your hormones and boost your gut health naturally, you're going to love today's smoothie recipe. So stay tuned till the end for this amazing smoothie. Did you know? After 40, hormone levels start fluctuating and our gut health may take a hit, leading to bloating, fatigue, and even mood swings. But the good news is, a simple daily smoothie can make a world of difference. Why these ingredients? 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, plant-based phytoestrogens that can mimic estrogen in the body. These compounds may help regulate estrogen activity by either enhancing or blocking its effects, depending on what your body needs. 2. Berries. Loaded with antioxidants and fiber, berries help fight inflammation and support your digestive health. 3. Greek yogurt. A fantastic source of probiotics, Greek yogurt promotes healthy gut flora and improves digestion. 4. Spinach. Spinach is packed with magnesium and iron, which are vital for hormone production and energy levels. 5. Almond milk. Almond milk keeps this smoothie dairy-free while giving a calcium boost for bone health. 6. Plant-based protein powder, optional, if you're feeling low on protein. Adding a scoop may help balance blood sugar and support muscle mass. Recipe. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon flax seeds to the blender. Step 2. Add ½ cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Step 3. Toss in 1 cup spinach. Step 4. Add ½ cup plain Greek yogurt. Step 5. Pour in 1 cup almond milk. Step 6. Optional. Add 1 scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Step 7. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie isn't just tasty, it nourishes your body, balances your hormones, and soothes your gut naturally. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout. Give this smoothie a try and let me know how you feel after a week. Follow for more natural health tips for women over 40.